Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the audio mixer in OBS Studio, a super handy tool for controlling your audio while recording or streaming. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to adjust, mute, and manage the sound for your videos with confidence, so you never have to worry about unwanted noise or distracting audio slips sneaking into your recordings. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up OBS Studio on your computer. If this is your first time using OBS, don't worry. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but we're going to focus on just one simple part today, the audio mixer. You'll see it near the bottom of the main window. OBS Studio is designed to be powerful, but also user-friendly once you know where things are. Now, using the audio mixer in OBS is actually much like turning up or down the speakers on your PC. You're simply controlling the sound that gets recorded or broadcast. The mixer lists all the different audio sources for your current scene. That might include your microphone, your desktop audio, the sounds coming from other programs, maybe even a music track or game sound if you've set those up. Right below the mixer, you'll see those different audio channels presented as sliders, each with their own little mute button next to them. These are the streams of audio that OBS will use while recording. Each slider controls the volume level for its corresponding source. For example, if you want the background music to be quieter, just slide that one down a bit. You can always tweak these sliders in real time, so if you start a recording and realize your desktop audio is drowning everything else out, you can lower it on the fly. No need to stop and start over. Let's talk about why you might want to mute or adjust volumes here. Take your microphone, for instance. If you're recording a gameplay video and you don't plan on talking, maybe you're collecting footage to edit a highlight reel later. It's best to mute the mic right from the start so you don't accidentally capture breathing sounds, keyboard clacks, or unexpected background chatter. Just click that little speaker icon next to your microphone slider. It'll turn red, letting you know your mic is safely muted. Of course, if you do need commentary or reactions, you can keep the mic live. Just check that your volume isn't set too high or too low. A good rule of thumb is to keep your mic volume just high enough so your voice comes through clearly, but not so loud that it distorts. If you're ever unsure, a quick test recording can help. Listen back and tweak until it's just right. Here's another little tip. If you're ever worried about accidentally leaving the wrong audio source on, take a moment before hitting record to scan all the mute buttons. It's like giving your dashboard a once-over before starting a road trip. A few seconds spent here can save you so much hassle later. And remember, adjusting audio in OBS is non-destructive, meaning you can experiment with the levels as much as you like. And as soon as you mute or turn up a slider, that change takes effect instantly in your recording or stream. So, that's really all there is to it. Open up OBS Studio, check out the audio mixer at the bottom, keep an eye on each audio channel you're using, and set their volumes or mute them as needed. Especially, remember to mute your microphone if you're recording silently. That way, only the sound you want gets captured. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about OBS, audio settings, or anything else, just drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to help out. And for more tutorials like this one, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy recording!